Today on Southern Gardening, we're visiting the MSU South Mississippi Branch Experiment Station in Poplarville, Mississippi, celebrating the 250th birthday of the United States of America and the 30th anniversary of Southern Gardening. To honor both celebrations, let's take a look at some plants with patriotic red, white, and blue flowers. One of the standout blue flowers in this planting is Jubilee Gem cornflower, also known as Bachelor's button. These vivid blue blooms bring cool color and a cottage garden charm to the landscape. The flowers rise above soft gray-green foliage and attract butterflies and other pollinators throughout the season. For the white portion of the display, sparkle white gaura adds elegance and movement. The delicate blooms of this native perennial seem to float above the plant like tiny butterflies dancing in the breeze. And for a bold splash of red, Summer Jewel Red Salvia absolutely steals the show. These bright scarlet blooms are magnets for hummingbirds and butterflies. Salvias are dependable, heat-loving plants that perform well during long southern summers. This beautiful planting is a wonderful reminder that gardens can celebrate history, community, and beauty all at the same time. And as Southern Gardening celebrates 30 years, it's fitting to mark the occasion surrounded by friends and by plants that represent the red, white, and blue spirit of America. I'm Eddie Smith. I look forward to seeing you next time on Southern Gardening.